What's up guys, TK here with S1 Build. Another day on the grind. As you guys know, we took the motor out of here, the high compression motor, and we put it in the case swap Acne, and we did ITBs to it also. Back to the supercharged. So we'll put a Jackson Racing supercharger on another case swap motor in this right here, and we're going to be testing it out on the dyno, probably starting it up soon. So the rear, we have a billet almost everything. All parts are on this car, all the parts. We use the OEM. So see guys, you can use the OEM arm if you want, and you know, kind of maximize offset, and it's not that bad, right? And it's still beefy. So this is how the exhaust runs if you're gonna do it. And our 3-inch upgraded drive shaft there, 1310. Our viscous oval next to the exhaust, and back to round, and of course 1310 slip on the drive shaft. I'm going to lower it down so you guys can take a look at the goodness. And of course this one is coming, more on this one later. It's gonna be a 7-second, you know, car. Probably not right off the trailer, but you know, that's his aim. Gary, it's coming. Alright, hold on. Why did I just try to put it back up? Oh, by the way, you guys been liking those all-wheel drive Honda versus V8 videos? It's all fun, guys. All jokes. Euros, V8s, all-wheel drive Honda. We all have great cars, but you know, sometimes you just gotta, you know, put some humor in everything. You know, everything we do, we try to keep everything positive. See? Check it out. For all those who haven't seen the inside of our Bumblebee, and you guys know that we have our it's weighted shift knob, and they're all serial number, so it's definitely unlimited. Got a little roll cage in here, so let's check out this business. Ooh wee. Oh, we don't have a stick to keep this up, so let me go grab something here to keep this up. Oh, Marianne, you know where they have the stick to keep the hood up? This to keep the hood from popping. Oh, right here. Gotta be this one. Gotta be this one. Look, it's kind of metal, not wood, but it's, I know. Oh, great. Let me see. Can you hold this up for me? Let me see if there's a spot I could. Man, I probably can't solve it while I talk. Yeah, bro. Alright, guys. Look at all the room. So this is it. What you guys think? What you think?
This is gonna be crazy. Right? It's gonna be nuts.
All-wheel drive supercharged.
Yeah.
Should make a little power, a little something.
Yeah. Just look.
So guys, Supercharge is in. Startup will be soon, pretty soon.
Yes, so we got just a few things. We got to change out the valve cover because the other one's made for catch can. What else? And then also we got to finish up. We got to put a 90 on here for this fuel.
Okay.
Right here, it's fitting here. Starter needs to be plugged up, and then the AN fitting. Yeah, we got to remake from here to there.
Oh, for this.
What else? Oh, and then the clutch.
So when you say you have to remake it, cause we don't know a case use wasn't in this before. So what do you mean you got to remake?
Well, because on the other one it's always over here.
Okay, so you
now the K24, the K20
okay
is over here. So
okay.
now we have the K24. This is all K24.
Okay, so this motor is a full K24.
Yeah, the other one was K20, K24.
So the inside of this one is built, or what's going on with this one? Or
This
stock
one stock bottom. The head is just cams, springs, retainers.
Cam spring retainers. Okay.
Yeah, and valves. So
okay.
That's it as far as the build goes.
We're just gonna kind of have fun with it, dyno, and see what it makes.
Exactly. So that's all it is. It's not nothing to. Lunch is here, ladies.
Damn, I don't know who she calling ladies. All guys around here.
I know. Show them your guy, TK.
I'll show them right now.
Hey, Jade.
Hey, what?
How you doing, Jade?
What's up, Jade? Jade's back again. Correct, guys. Don't look for happiness, build it.
That's what we're trying to do.
All day, every day, in all our life, and even without working on cars.
Yep.
In our own personal and family.
Definitely. You hear that, Jay?
What?
So Jay here the other day, he was trying to build happiness, but someone else said, "No, not today, buddy.
Yep.
You're not building happiness here." It was like boom, boom, boom. Next thing you know, it's like bam. Not yet.
He's from the east side of Bronx. Am I right?
No, don't get it twisted. Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Okay.
Oh,
Johnny, do you hear this?
Okay.
John is from the Bronx.
Brooklyn.
Johnny's not from the Bronx either.
Yo,
not?
Johnny's from
the Bronx.
freaking Lando Lakes, bro.
Oh, let's Johnny. Top.
Top chat about. So guys, yep. So you guys know the all motor that we had in this is now in the case swap Acme
Yeah.
with ITB, so that's gonna go even louder, a little bit more dangerous, but who cares? We're in Florida.
More dangerous.
So guys, definitely stay tuned. Of course, we're on the alpha injectors on this, and our header, all drive NA header, which you can of course run for a supercharger because this side is still freed up the same way, no turbocharging. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna show you more updates on this next video. Will be a startup for sure. And yeah, this car's come a long way. And of course, if anybody wants it, everything's for sale.
That's what I say, for sale. Or trade.
Or trade.
Another yellow CTR though.
Yeah, yeah, we trade this for a CTR.
But it gotta be clean though.
Has to be super clean. Like
No
this car.
rust. Gotta be clean.
Has to be clean. All right, guys. If you got a CTR out there, let's see it. We're gonna check them bins
No
too.
conversion. No conversion.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no conversion, definitely. Has to be OEM CTR.
Okay.
Got the upper hose on, bottom hose on.
Okay. That's it.
Shift the cables on. Everything's wired up.
So we got this Jackson Racing supercharger from someone that we know. So came out. We were gonna use it on a different project, but we're gonna end up using it for this. It's supposed to be for the CRX, but it doesn't clear. So we just threw it to the side for the longest, and now we're like, hey,
Put it to use.
let's just go ahead and just put it to use. Yep. So we still gotta do a lot of cleaning. We just want to get it on here.
Running and everything.
Get
and
it
then,
running, everything's okay, then we're gonna go back and start detailing everything out, you know,
all right, cool.
all the little small details. So
All right. We got the breather line hooked up now.
yeah.
Keep everything looking clean.
So we have this thing here on the top mount earlier, and this thing was too high when I didn't want it to touch that, so
The
we
hood,
brought it down to the
bottom one.
bottom one. So yeah. That one also.
Oh, so we have two engagements on there.
Yeah.
Two holes.
And then it perfect with the T bracket, so still fits.
Sweet. Nice.
So now it's just trying to button everything up.
Get ready for startup.
Yeah,
Hopefully, next video, guys, you'll see a startup. Everything fits nice.
Yeah.
Call the room.
It's have to do the clutch and the starter, and then we'll clean up all this.
Wire it, and then put it off. Alright, guys. So up and close so you guys can see the clearance right there. See, it's really, yeah. So this is Hasport, and this is like this is generic.
No, it's Hasport.
Everything Hasport.
Yeah, it's all
What about the
Hasport.
brackets?
The back is Hasport also.
Hasport also.
The back is Hasport, but it's our T bracket.
RT bracket.
Yeah. This is, you know, you could use this like a front wheel drive. The Hasport mount. The only thing that you got to change from front wheel drive to all wheel drive on the KCS is just to purchase a T bracket.
Okay. That's it.
What's that? No, you can unplug it. Yeah, so rebuilding a mid plate.
Mid plates, courtesy of Art Technologies and the Chancy Fab.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Michael. So, wait, no. We
it's
gotta
gotta
do
come down underneath.
down. There you go. Like that. My hand is there. There you go.
Mike, what you got there?
And then we're gonna cut
plate.
this part.
Mid plate? Hell yeah.
So we're gonna cut this part off right here, and then it's gonna have a Heim over here also.
Heim.
The tab.
Attached to
Yeah, over here.
the subframe.
Yeah. Perfect. So like there, and then there's gonna be a tab right here. So what's gonna go on here, basically? Hold it onto this thing here, this, and then this side here. It's basically gonna be, you know, locked in here, but then it's gonna go in between his things too. Let me take this thing and show you. So, something like this. That's how it's gonna be. And we'll just weld this. We're gonna weld that on to the weight bar.
Yes.
So it's gonna have over here, this.
Nice. I'm gonna show you more in this car also pretty soon, guys.
Yeah. It's getting there. It's almost done. So just
Almost
one
done.
or two more things. And
We got the whole board out, so I'm gonna get the front end wrapped. A couple more 1 or 2 things, and then that's it. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.
You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game. That's when